Down with Haley Bell. Haley Bell is one of my heroes. Anybody with any major illness, Haley Bell's a man. Yeah.
So I suffer from massive depressive disorder, borderline personality disorder tendencies, and bipolar tendencies. I can't really figure out what I have exactly.
Yeah,
Labels
love.
don't matter.
Yeah,
I have a
love.
lot of love. I feel a lot. So also that caused a psychosomatic reaction that gave me Crohn's and colitis. And I came to see Arnold about a year and a half, almost 2 years ago, and he saved my life to figure out a healthy diet. And it really does balance the mind and the stomach, and you have to do the work though as well. So
Yeah,
it's just
do the
like,
work.
but when you fill your body with love, it makes it so much easier. It's like a fuel that you need. So this guy actually really did save my life.
Ready?
He's like, you are the grandfather I wish I grew up with, buddy. I want to be honest with
Oh,
you.
good, thank you.
Seriously, you're the man.
You're good.
So this song's called Why. It's
I
about
said, we're
love.
rock and roll first.
Oh, do you
Yeah.
remember how to do that?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Super excited, know what I mean. Rocking and rolling, living the dream. Super excited, know what I mean. Yeah.
Alright, this song is called Why, and it's the reason why I always fight to find the light.